If you have another luggage that's like this much bigger than their size limit, they're like 60 euros at the counter. Today is gonna be really exciting. I cannot wait. It's gonna be quick. It's gonna be so good. It's like 4 p.m. and I just finished having lunch. Wait, let me show you what I ate. Despite the fact that I'm living in France, I was able to get my hands on this baby. And then I realized how fucking gross it actually is. So that's
disappointing.
I used to have this all the time when I was younger. That's my childhood. Honestly, I don't understand how I grew up eating this. Like, it's so bad. My stomach is in so much pain. So that's not great. Also, I have a sty on this eye. And it's so painful. I literally feel like Quasimodo. Like, what's the difference? Yeah, exactly nothing. We are gonna get right into this video. So, I'm going to the US in 2 days, and I cannot explain to you how excited I am to see my family. But I need to pack a bag because I need to wear clothing whilst I'm there, as a normal human being does. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I pack for 3 weeks of being not home, being abroad. I'm gonna show you guys the luggage. It's really small. Here it is. It's not that large. It's so small. Like, hello. But last year when I went, actually in March when I went to New York, I stayed for about 2 weeks and a half, and I was able to fit everything in this baby, so I'm not worried. I think I could fit everything into here. Yeah, it should be fine. Now that you've seen my luggage, you know what we're working with. I'm gonna start pulling out the clothes that I'm gonna bring, and then I'll show you guys. The reason I pack dresses is because it's so easy to just throw on and then call it an outfit. And for my tops, I wanted to mention that I did choose some pretty basic ones. For example, just like a plain white top that you can wear with anything, and like a gray top that you can wear with anything, and then a black top that you can wear with anything are essentials that I always pack when I go on trips that I will be gone for a long time and I don't have that much space. Packing basics like this are always super helpful because you can make multiple outfits out of simple pieces. And although I did pack stuff that was quite simple, I did also pack like other shirts that were more funky just because I don't want to only be wearing white, black, and gray for the whole time. I like to wear more funky stuff sometimes. For pants, I'm literally just going to be packing my black pair of jeans and my light blue jeans, and then one skirt that can match with a lot of things. And that's pretty much all the clothing I'm going to bring, other than underwear and bras, but that's pretty standard. Don't think I have to show those. And then I'll probably bring about 3 pajamas. I'll bring probably 1 coat. This is the coat I'm bringing. It is pretty standard and it goes with pretty much everything. It's pretty lightweight as well. But I'll probably wear it in the airport just to save space in my carry-on. Now I'm gonna make sure everything fits in there. I'm gonna pack some socks. Oh, I didn't show you guys my shoes. The first pair I'm gonna be bringing are my Nike Airs just because they literally match with everything. They usually last me about, well, my last pair lasted me 2 years. So I've had these for a couple months now. They still look pretty new. And actually I started painting my old pair because I felt really bad throwing them out. They're still wearable and I started painting them, but I haven't finished yet. And I'm so excited to wear them when they're all finished. Anyways, I'm bringing my Nikes, and then my second pair of shoes that I'm going to be bringing are my Docs. However, just to save space once again, I will be wearing these to the airport. I won't be putting them in my carry-on just to save space. So yeah, I'm only bringing these 2 pairs of shoes to Florida. I probably want to wear some kind of like flip-flops while I'm there too, but I'll buy a pair once I'm over there because I don't own flip-flops in Paris. Like, people don't wear that here. But in Florida it's a lot more casual, and I feel like in America the standards of style aren't really held as high. And then I do plan on working out once I'm in Florida because I will have access to a gym. To be bringing my Nike Pros. I can literally wear with any sports bra. And then I'm gonna bring also running shoes. I totally forgot about like these pair of shoes that I'm gonna bring, so I hope I have space. The last part of this video is gonna be me trying to fit everything into my suitcase, so let's see if it's possible. Okay guys, I got all my clothes in here. I kind of do this weird technique that always ends up working out somehow for me. I like layer all the clothing on top of each other and then leave the sleeves hanging out. And then once you have all the clothing in, you fold the sleeves over, or the excess clothing over, into the suitcase like this. And somehow this always ends up working for me. I haven't packed my jeans in yet. This looks really messy and you're probably like, Cecily, what the heck are you doing? But I swear this is always what I do and it ends up working somehow. So I haven't put my jeans or my shoes in yet, but I still have this whole top compartment left. I'm not gonna put them in yet because I know I will wear them. I will be wearing them before I leave on Wednesday. I still have 2 days before I fly. So now that I have all like the majority and like basic things in there, I will leave the last minute things for another time. I hope this video helped you guys kind of get a little briefing on the essentials that you could pack on your trip, especially if you don't have a lot of space like me. I won't be paying the extra carry-on baggage fee because I was able to fit everything into my small little cabin bag. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys tune in for the next video. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Bye guys.